The Enorossi bat rake has been designed for having a robust and high-performance rake. Given that each arm has an independent movement, it is easier for ground adaptation and windrow formation, even on uneven terrains. The easy drop system with single-acting cylinders for opening and closing machines allows the operator to handle all working operations directly from the tractor's cab. That being said, there are some adjustments that must be made in order to effectively run the bat rake. These adjustments are made at the directional flow regulator. But first, let's look at a rake that has not been adjusted correctly. As you can see, the rake wheels are dropping too fast and raising too fast. Here is a picture of the Pioneer fitting with directional flow regulator adjusters going into the tractor. Let's look at all the parts needed to adjust the flow regulators. This is the flow regulator adjuster for raising up the arms. This is the associated locking nut. This is the flow regulator adjuster for lowering down the arms. This is its associated locking nut. On each of the flow regulator adjusters, there is a diagram showing which way to turn to increase or decrease the flow. Once the desired flow is reached, you will lock the nut down to hold everything in place. In addition to setting the correct flow, each arm has a spring pivot that assists in lowering the arms. This may need to be adjusted to push the arm away from the body of the rake. This is done by turning the nut atop each of the spring pivots as seen in these pictures. Now, let's look at a correctly adjusted bat rake. This is clearly a safer and better running implement than the unadjusted bat rake. In addition to these hydraulic adjustments, there are other adjustments you can make to the bat rake in order to create the ideal windrow for your operation. To see these other adjustments, please refer to the owner's manual. Now that your bat rake is fully adjusted, you can begin raking it and see the robust and high performance of the Enorossi bat rake. If you have any other questions or concerns, give us a call. Thank you.